Sorry guys, yakata because ndiripanze my network is a little bit bad togara mawoods. So mnongoziyaka. My network achanenga chingonetsa so kana chigara kure, you know. So I just wanted to say I hope you guys are all okay. You had a good weekend. My weekend was so busy. I was working all weekend. I went to work this morning. When I finished work, I just came home, did a bit of shopping, came home. So we're still doing a barbecue. Hi, Shelter. Happy Mother's Day to you, darling. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Those who went to the live show yesterday, yeah, my bendy. I hope you guys had a good time, yeah? I'm very busy. I'm pretending that chicken in India could try. I really miss this. I can't wait for the proper summer to come. It's still a little bit chilly. It's still a little bit cold. Look at my chicken, guys. Hey, chai. Hey. Barbecue stand down. Boom by Chatham. I'm planning to get another one. I'd put a cover on top of it, but so I have to get another one. But you'll go fire. Hey Mitch, long time, how are you? Any latest, guys? Is there any latest out there? I haven't been on social media a lot. I haven't been following any blogs or anything. What's happening out there? Any nyayas? Any nyayas to make me start another live? My God. Hi, Ukura. No wig today. Oh, today's a wig-free day. I washed my hair today, conditioned it. No wig. So I'm going to get my hair cut this week. I'm going to the barbers, get my hair cut, freshen up my color, and get ready for the weekend. No wig today. No wig today, Bongani. Today I'm all natural, guys. No makeup, no wig. Woke up this morning, took a bath, went to work, came back fresh. Can you see me? Nyasha, yes, I do love the same color. Oh, we have the same color hair. Oh, yeah. I always wear this red. I love it. I just have to freshen it up now. Yeah, today's just a chill day, guys. You know, the weather was good in the morning, as I said, but now it's changed. It's a little bit windy now. Hi, Dudu. Happy Mother's Day. Hope you're having a good time. Okay. Ndotara ndichiti Thomas. My Shona is very, very fluent. And this knows say, hey, what's up? How you doing? La la every day. No. I speak very fluent Shona. Ndotara Shona. Max, what do you mean I look very different?